Hello friends, hello student. Today, as I have told you on yesterday, that I will discuss the strategy of the lesson in SST. So today I will tell you about the lesson. How do we prepare the lesson in the form of question answer, in the form of notes, in the form of MCQ based question. So there is the summary of the lesson which I have written here. Then I will tell you how do we prepare. Okay, now student, let's we see the first. The first you will see the name of the lesson is Nationalism in India, where we have the four topics. The First World War, Khilafat, Non-Cooperation Movement. Then second topic is differing strength within the movement. Then next topic is toward the civil disobedience movement, and last topic is the sense of collective belongings. What type of the question can be formed there, and how do we prepare the small questions, longer questions, MCQ based questions? Okay, now student. In the first, there is the topic, the First World War, the Khilafat non-cooperation movement. Because I will not go on the summary of the lesson or the you will say explanation of the lesson, I will only remain with the topics. How do we prepare the question answer? How do we prepare the notes? And what is the full strategy while we are making the question answer or the notes? Okay, now student. So let's we see. So topic, as you have written there, the First World War, Khilafat non-cooperation movement, where the topics are World War First, idea of Satyagraha, Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh incident, why non-cooperation. Okay, now student, let's we see the first. Look at there. So World War First. This is the topic. This is the first topic, and where the many type of the question can be formed there, such as in the MCQ based question, in which year the World War First was fought. Okay, now this is a simple question, and one more question can be appear there, that what was the contribution of India in the World War First. So this is a very different question. What was the contribution of India in World War First? So contribution, that what is the contribution? Farmers as army men. Okay, now went into the World War First. That is the contribution. Then second question can be appear there. What was the result of the वर्ल्ड वार फर्स्ट? ठीक है ना, रिजल्ट क्या था? अगर हम इस चीज़ को रेफरेंस में ले लें, व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट ऑफ वर्ल्ड वार फर्स्ट, व्हेन वी हैव सेंट अवर army men in the form of farmers, means when we have sent our farmers as the army. So what was the result? So there was the result that crop failure. Okay, na? Crop failure. And suppose if we discuss once again the question, how do the Britishers you will say reacted after the World War First or during the World War First on India, means how do they behaved with India? So they had, how did Britishers reacted on India during or after World War First? So what is the answer? Imposed several taxes. Why they had imposed the several taxes? To meet the requirement of the type of economic loss. Okay na, because they had felt the lots of huge casualties in the area of economics, in the area of military, in the area of many area. So in the such a way they had this imposed. So these are the few questions which I have discussed in this topic. Okay na student, let's we see the next topic, the idea of satyagraha. Idea of satyagraha. So what can be the question can be asked there? What type of the question can be asked there? What was the two pillars of the ideology of satyagraha? What are the two pillars of the ideology of satyagraha? Okay na? So there are two pillars. One is satya and second is ahimsa. Okay na? Two pillars are there, satya and ahimsa. Means truth and non-violence. That is a basic question which can be asked in such area. So I think you remember that what type of the question can be formed here. Okay na? And second thing is that which are the area where the Gandhiji had started his satyagraha movement. So the area which are started, Gandhiji had started the satyagraha movement. One is Champaran, Kheda and Ahmedabad. Clear, student? So this is the basic question which can be asked in this area. This is very important for the map also. And second next question is Rowlatt Act. This is the topic. So what type of the question can be formed there? Who, which you will say organization, which organization imposed the Rowlatt Act? Which government body or institution imposed Rowlatt Act? So this is the what is the name of body that imposed the Rowlatt Act? It is the Legislative Council, Imperial Legislative Council. यहाँ पर मैं लिख देता हूँ Imperial Legislative Council. They had imposed the, you'll say, Rowlatt Act, but you can write also there hurriedly. If it is not a MCQ question, so you can write the hurriedly term is there, which can better understand to convey your answer to the teacher who is checking your sheet. Okay, now student. So this is very important question which I have discussed here. The next question from the Jallianwala Bagh massacre or the incident. So Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So there are so many questions can be formed there, but the question which I want to ask you, what is the question? What was the reason to gather the people in the park? So what is the answer of this question? Very simple answer. There were so many regions are there, but you can write there. Number one is people, those who want to protestation against Rowlatt Act. That is the main reason, and some reason can be followed by this, such as because only the man community reached there for showing their protestation against the Rowlatt Act, as it was told by their leaders. Because second reason is that two leaders of the Congress were arrested, Sarvodin Kishlu and Dr. Satyapal. These two leaders were arrested, so that reason can be here. And one more reason can be there, because the women and the children, they also reached there, but the information which was given to the man, but this information was not given to the women and the children, because they reached there due to the annual festival of the Punjabis region. Okay, na Baisakhi festival was there, so they had reached there due to this region. Okay, na student? So you can write there. That is very important. The next topic is why non-cooperation. So, from which book Gandhiji had discussed the power of non-cooperation? From which book Gandhiji describe the power of non-cooperation? So that is the Hind Swaraj. That is a very important question that can be asked the exam. Okay, now student. So many questions can be also discussed, but I am just discussing the question which can be important for you and which can be appear in the exam also. Next topic is differing stand within the movement. We have the different topic, such as there are so many small topic can be there, such as the Justice Party, which has giving their non-cooperations, you will say, contribution, which was very nil, because Justice Party was the only party in the South India which was not giving participation, which was not participating in the non-cooperation movement of Gandhiji. That is the first time. And second, the Gandhiji had also decided to unfold the movement into the three parts, such as to boycott, or you'll say left the government job, or boycott the title, surrender the title, and if the movement was not very successful, then launch the civil disobedience campaign. So this is the threefold movement which was started by Gandhiji, where the so many you say people of India had participated in the non-cooperation movement, and you'll say the economic front, where the Indian also have participated very strongly, because the trade was fell down of the Britishers. So where can be the question there? Uh, how much the cotton industry was affected? How much the cotton industry was affected? So you can say the downfall of the milk cloth import, clear, was recorded from 102 crore to 57 crore. It means it reached to the 57 crore. This can be the question answers. Okay, na student? So that is very important question you should discuss. Next question. can be asked the movement in the town. Movement in the town where I have told so many questions in this part. Okay, na student? Means how did Gandhiji had participated in this area. Now the rebellion in the countryside where the two topics are there. One is for the Awadh Kisan Sabha, and second topic is Aluri Sita Ram Raju. Okay, na? There are two topics. So, what can be the question can be formed there? So, who founded Awadh Kisan Sabha? Okay, na? That is a very important question. So, there the answer. The answer is that Pandit J.L. Nehru and Baba Ramchand. Second question can be asked there in the same segment. Who participated? Who participated in a sannyasi revolt? So answer is that same Baba Ramchand. And one more question can be asked there. Name the you'll say nationalist or the name the person who went from India to Fiji as a indentured labor. So the same answer Baba Ramchand. Okay, na student? So that is very important questions and you should discuss it also. This is for the Awadh Kisan Sabha. Then second topic is about the Alluri Sitaram Raju, where so many questions can be asked there. The Sitaram Raju, who led guerrilla movement? What is the answer of this question? Alluri Sita Ram Raju. That is a very important question and you should also keep in the mind. Okay, na? Alluri Sita Ram Raju, and a very important question can be asked sometimes. Where was guerrilla movement? Where was guerrilla movement started? Where was? So it is the Gudem Hills. Okay, na student? That is very important question, and so many questions can be asked there. Name the person who had started the recovery of the you say ill person by the heel touch process. So the same answer Alluri Sitaram Raju. Okay, na? Then second last topic of the second portion of the book, Swaraj in the plantation. So name the that is very important question. Name the act that had stopped the movement, free movement. We can write there free movement of the plantation worker. So that is the Act of 1859. Okay, na? That is the Act of 1859. The act is very very important question. Then towards the civil disobedience movement, that is very important topic also, where so many several topic are there, such as the topic started from there. that the Swaraj Party, which was formed by the C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. Why the you'll say Swaraj Party was formed? Because the reason is that some leaders within the Congress wanted to get the freedom by the political activities, by the political participation. Okay, na? So these were the two leaders, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, because they were not very happy with the Gandhiji's stand, because Gandhiji take the decision without take the people in very confidence. Well, he was just starting the movement, or while just he was closing the movement. Okay, na? And second topic is their Great Depression. What was the Great Depression? Great Depression is a kind of economic situation when the prices of the goods are totally fell down. That is the, you will say, Great Depression, and it was affecting the Indian farmers, because at the same time in a British government was not ready to reduce the taxes of the Indian or revenue of the Indian. Okay, the next topic is the same segment. The, you will say, one more commission, Simon Commission, came to India, and that was coming to India without the confidence of the Indian, because it was coming to India, it arrived to India for declaring the Indian constitution of the future. Okay, na? So there was heavy jury member, and any Indian was not taking the confidence in the jury membership. Okay, na? So there are three important topics, and one more topic is there also, the round table conference. Round table conference, where the three important you say conference was held, where first round table conference Congress did not reach there, and it was held in London. And second round table conference, Mahatma Gandhi ji reached there, but he had to come to India with the empty handed, because his proposal was not accepted by the Lord Irwin in the in the round table conference. And one more is important question: what was the wage offer? What was the wage offer? What was the wage offer by the Lord Irwin? So the wage offer was the dominion status. That is very important question, and you should keep in the mind. What was the wage offer? Dominion status. And I will tell you about the dominion status very clearly if you ask the question to me. Otherwise, you will not ask me, because any comment is not coming there. So I'm not telling this difficult question. Dominion status, I will tell you the history of the dominion status. What was the dominion status? What was the wage offer? Why it was offered by the Britishers to India? What was the main reason behind it also? What was the main motive of the Britishers? Okay, na? So many questions, answer can be there. So first topic is there, Salt March and the CDM. What was the Salt March? What was the CDM? CDM, you know very well, Civil Disobedience Movement. Difference between the non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement. It can be the very important question. Civil disobedience movement means where the Gandhiji told not only to non-cooperate the Britishers, but also they have to disobey the rules which was made by the colonial government politely. That is very important questions. Okay. Then how? Then so many topic can be there. What was the Dadi March? Dadi March. How many you say Satyagrahi of the Gandhiji? These were the strong volunteers which has participated in the movement. Means Dadi March. Okay, na? So you can write the answer. 17 followers. How the participants are the movement? That is very important topic. There are the two topic are there. Three topic are there. One is participation of the large farmer, large and small farmer. The second topic is business man, worker. Last topic is women. So large farmer, small farmer, the difference is that large farmers, they wanted to reduce the revenues, and small farmers, they wanted to remove the, you will say, rented charges over themselves. So this was the confusion between the two farmers community. Large farmer belong from the UP and the Gujarat. You know very well what are the type of these farmers from Gujarat and UP. You have to tell, okay, in the comment box. Small farmers, their demand was different from the large. Small farmers' demand was different from large farmers. Okay, na? As I told you. Businessmen, because when the import was not made there due to the restriction, so Indian businessmen take that good advantage. When the import was started, then a businessman also complained to Gandhiji that if they participated in the movement, if the import charges will be restricted, means importation from the British government, importation from the other countries should be stopped in India, then they will participate in the Indian movement. And there was very, will say, lukewarm, you will say, contribution of the businessman in India. Okay, now because the workers, their participation was very limited also, because they were not very happy, while the you'll say businessmen were very you'll say closing to the Indian National Congress, because there was a very good relation between the businessman and the, you'll say, Indian National Congress. That's why the workers, they were not very happy. Okay. Then the topic is women to Gandhiji and Congress. Their stand was very, you will say, different for the contribution of participation of the women, because Congress did not want to give the highest position to the women in the Indian National Congress, and Gandhiji, he wanted that the women should give their symbolic presence in the movement. He did not want that the women should give in their participation actually. Okay, now virtually he wanted the participation. And next topic is limit of the civil disobedience movement. Limit of the civil disobedience movement. There are two topics. One is vision of Dalit and vision of Muslims. So there is very small differences, because Dalit, they wanted to secure their right, as they had felt from thousands of years in the country they had not get the high same position as the general caste people. Okay, now so their vision that they wanted the respect, they wanted the equal status in the society, so they had demanded the separate electorate in the elections. So same demand is there. Muslim, they wanted that under the, you will say, domination of the Hindus, their position will be distorted, and they will not get the equal status as the Hindu got. After the independence, they would also lost their identity, and they will not get the proper, you will say, area. So they wanted also the same demand, separate electorate. Okay, na student? So this is a very important question. And last one, sense of collective belongings. This topic can be asked in the two portions. One is the recovery of history. Okay, na? Recovery of history means history was retold. Yeah, retelling of the history. Second thing is that the, you will say, cultural process. Cultural process, where the history which was made by the Britishers very different for the Indian, as they had felt that Indians, they had not a very good contribution in the whole world society and the culture and the, we'll say, achievements in the various field. So many of the social reformers, they felt that this information was told by the Britishers wrong, so they had decided to just change the text which was telling about the India's, you will say, fault or the weak point. So they had told about the histories of the ancient time, which was very great, which was very, you will say, great history. So they had told to the Indians how much they were very, you will say, brave, how much they were very glorious in the past. And cultural process, where the flags, where the images, where the sign symbols were used, where the you will say folk stories, where the different type of the dramas was prepared for the Indians to create the sense of nationalism. Okay, now so this is the whole topics which I have discussed, and I have told you how do you discuss the, how do you prepare the MCQs based questions. If any problem, you can ask me. And second very important things, I will discuss the long answer and you say small questions later, but in the first I will discuss all the MCQ based question of the all books. Okay, now thank you student to listen me and watching me.